In regression analysis, as we establish a linear relationship between a dependent variable y and an independent variable x, we use the fundamental linear model, y equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x plus epsilon. However, for our ordinary least squares estimators to be the best linear unbiased estimators, we must satisfy specific assumptions known as the Gauss-Markov assumptions. In this set of assumptions, the first property that we must establish is linearity in parameters, that is, the dependent variable y must be a linear function of the coefficients beta. However, the independent variables can take nonlinear forms. For instance, we can square them, take their natural log, or interact them, and the model remains perfectly linear in parameters. The second assumption is random sampling. While the Gauss-Markov theorem itself does not strictly require the data to be independent and identically distributed, drawing a random sample from our population of interest ensures that our observations are representative, allowing our sample results to generalize accurately to the larger population. The third fundamental assumption focuses entirely on the behavior of the unobservable error term. It states that there must be a zero conditional mean of errors, that is, for any given value of our independent variable x, the expected value of the error component epsilon must equal 0. This assumption ensures that there is no omitted variable bias or systematic error in our model, that is, the independent variables are not correlated with the error term. The fourth crucial assumption is homoscedasticity, which means the spread or dispersion of the error term must remain uniform across all observations in the dataset. When this assumption is violated, the ordinary least squares estimators will remain unbiased, but the model becomes less precise and unreliable. Moving forward, we must also assume that there is no autocorrelation among the error terms. This means errors associated with any two distinct observations must be uncorrelated with one another. This assumption is most frequently violated when working with time series data or sequential observations. When autocorrelation exists in a model, it underestimates the standard errors, making the model appear much more precise than it actually is. When all of these distinct assumptions are successfully met, the OLS estimators achieve the status of being blue, the best linear unbiased estimators. This signifies that out of all possible linear, unbiased estimators, OLS yields the absolute lowest variance. If you want to test your knowledge on this topic, check the link in the description below or visit our community page. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more statistics content.